Hey y'all, and welcome to another edition of Teen Snack Attack. My name is Andrew at the North Regional Library in Carencro, and today we're going to be making chicken and waffle bites. This little recipe will make 24 chicken and waffle bites, and for your ingredients you will need 12 frozen chicken nuggets, a half a cup of milk, 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, a quarter cup of honey, a cup of pancake or waffle mix, and some non-stick spray. You'll also need an oven, a mixing bowl, a mini muffin tin, and a whisk or something to mix with. All right, guys, let's get started. Okay, first you want to take your non-stick spray and spray the muffin tin. Then you'll want to cut each tablespoon of butter into 4 pieces. Take each little piece of butter and put it in the muffin tin. Next, drizzle about half teaspoon of honey into each cup over the butter. Okay, now we'll take our cup of pancake or waffle mix, add 1/2 cup of milk, 1 egg, and we'll whisk that until it's smooth. Now we'll fill each cup about 3/4 of the way up with our batter. Once filled, we'll put half of 1 frozen chicken nugget into each cup. Then we'll take our muffin tin and put it into a 400-degree oven for 9 to 13 minutes or until the edges are brown. Once removed from the oven, take a knife and run it gently around each cup to remove the bites. You can use the remaining ingredients and batter to make a second batch. Hey, thanks for joining us for another snack attack at the Lafayette Public Library. I hope you enjoy your chicken and waffle bites and make sure you share them. See you next time.